Hello, this video is to introduce you the WAN network global configurations. So firstly, you can log into the MSNCE and click the SD-WAN here, and then you will link to the global configuration, and we separate to three parts: physical network, virtual network, and the collection configurations. So physical network, you will find the configurations for the underlying network. For example, you have several routing domains, different transport network. Uh, the meanings of the transport network and the routing domain is, for example, you have two transport network. One is the Vodafone, another one is telecom, and then they belongs to the same routing domain, internet. That means the IP is reachable from each other. And this is parameters for the IPsec interaction. And this one is for the URL encryption. For example, you are using the URL DDT, and here you can set the encryption keys for you to encrypt this URL. And the link value detection parameter is using for us to detect the frequency for the IPFPM to detect the links value, the latency jitter, and packet loss. The default one is 1 second, and 6 times for failure. Yeah, and the minimum one you can see here is 10 milliseconds, and 3 and there. If you want to ensure that the link quality switching is much more faster, and then you can modify the parameters here. And for the traffic steering policy configuration, is for you to configure the maximum bandwidth usage, and to ensure if you have dual gateway, and then the uplink and downlink traffic should be go passing through the same device, and the same transport network priority is means all the sites belongs to the same transport network or be preferred. For example, you have one Vodafone, another is telecom, and then the other side is only Vodafone, and then the Vodafone will be preferred. Yeah, and the rules is for TN bandwidth or site or the network priority. Also, for us here is according to the site ID, which one is preferred, and the NTP configurations. This is for the physical network, and the virtual network is for the primarily used for the overlay part. So we will say that there is a BGP configurations, the community pools, S numbers, and also this is the IP segments we used for all the dynamic tunnels IP addresses used inside of the controller. So that means this segment will be the reserved network pool. Yeah, also for some IPv6 pools. Here we DNS settings. If you have some client users, and then to import the DNS server, and then you can configure here. Import it. The port configuration is for the NAT scenario. If you have some devices in the public network and somehow just have an internet access, and then it will need to transfer across the public internet, and they have some NAT devices, and then you can generally say we have a default one. This is a default port for the NAT zone, but you can modify the parameters here. The last one is collection configurations. If you want all the data will be uploaded to the MSNCE, and you want to connect all the data applications and so on, so you need to enable these features here. Okay.